What up, everybody? It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. We've got quite a few videos to come out this week, so I'm excited about that. So let's get right into it. We're going to be talking about PayPal and their stablecoin specifically. So after you guys like, comment, subscribe, definitely only do so if you do get something out of the video. So let's get right into it. I'm going to share the screen here. And what we're going to do is go through CoinMarketCap and also paypal.com / basically PY USD. So this is the main page that we're going to go over. So for those of you that haven't heard yet, PayPal is coming out with their PY USD. It's an ERC20 based token. So that means that it's going to be a stable coin that is 1-to-1 to the US dollar using Ethereum's blockchain. So anything ERC20 based, that's going to be a simple way you can create an altcoin. So it's really cool. So let's get into the website and the information, right? So PayPal stablecoin designed for payments. 1 USD is equivalent. So 1 US dollar is equivalent to 1 pi SD. So 1 PY USD, that's the ticker symbol on PayPal. So even as you can see in the image here, I'll probably grab this for the thumbnail actually. You can see that you're going to have in your PayPal account this USD coin. Okay, so introducing the new cryptocurrency PayPal USD, Pi USD. It's a stable coin backed by secure and highly liquid assets. So this is going to be a stable coin that is backed by liquid assets, probably, Amazon stock, stuff like that. And yeah, it's very interesting. And again, liquid assets, probably real estate as well, anything that's easy for them to sell. As PYUSD rolls out, you'll be able to buy, sell, hold, and transfer it in our app or on our site. So it's really cool. And I have gone through this briefly, so I believe you'll be able to swap your US dollars and pick up some of the stablecoin. So backed by reserves, of course, it's backed by dollar deposits, US treasuries, and cash equivalents. So it's going to be backed by the US dollar, right? And the dollar is backed by, I guess, the trust in the people, right? Easy in, easy out. So of course, it's a ERC20 based token. And what is nice is that it's going to be leveraging Ethereum's blockchain, right? So buy, sell, hold, and transfer PayPal USD in our app on our sites. So you can imagine this is a very, this is going to be a great way for faster transaction speeds for processing, right? So right now, when I know personally, because I get paid in USD through PayPal, then I have to send it to my Canadian bank account because I sell online courses. And I mean, if I can get a stable coin, I could leverage and utilize that very swiftly online, at least for my use case, right? So really cool. What else do we have here? As you can see here, you're buying 20 PYUSD. Exchange rate is 1 USD per, PYUSD. So it looks like from your checking account, you'll be able to buy PUSD at a 1-to-1 ratio, right? Which is really easy, very simple to track. Convert. So you'll be able to convert it to Bitcoin. So this is something I've been talking about a lot here on the channel is a lot of these apps are going to be forced to utilize blockchain technology. You've seen it right now. Perhaps I'll even do a video on it. You've got Elon Musk who converted Twitter, the logo, to X, the whole name. It's rebranded. It's going to be an all-in-one app where I believe you're going to be able to do this, if not more, much more. So it's going to be very interesting. Comment down below. Do you guys think this is good news or bad news? Give me your thoughts. Overall, this is good news. This is good news. So long as it works out and everything. But I mean, a lot of what we've been talking about, you can see this has already been happening, right? What's interesting right here on this page is the Litecoin aspect. So it looks like you'll be able to, pay with Litecoin, possibly Bitcoin very soon using PayPal, right? Send and receive, etc. So what is a stablecoin? We've gone over that, but a stablecoin really is a digital token on the blockchain that's pegged to the US dollar. So it's stablecoin that is fully backed by the US dollar deposits, US treasuries, and similar cash equivalents. So really, it could be backed not just by US dollars, but in this case, they say liquid assets. So this could be treasuries, as they're saying, and whatnot. Anyways, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of that per se, but again, what is Bitcoin backed by, right? Bitcoin is just backed by its value. So money's very interesting when you think about it. We'll have to have another convo on that. How do I start using PayPal USD? As PayPal USD rolls out to eligible US PayPal balance accounts, you'll be able to buy PYUSD in our app. So you can even get started here. Are there fees? There are no fees to buy, sell, or transfer. That's really interesting. So ultimately, when I think about this, in the good sense, is that this is a very friction-free way to on-ramp in and out of crypto, right? We've been talking about it a lot here in the channel. It's the difficulty is when you have fiat, how do you acquire the crypto without those egregious fees and whatnot? This is a great way. I'm loving this. It's very sexy. This is going to be a great way for you to, you have your paycheck, convert it to PYUSD. Now you're rocking and rolling with the stablecoin. From there, you can buy Bitcoin, send that to cold storage, wherever you want, right? So in my opinion, this is a great first look. I'm excited about this. As a Canadian myself, I don't know how much I'm going to dabble into this, especially short term. I'm probably just going to leave it where it's at until people start using it. But it's definitely very interesting. I like it. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. It's very interesting in my eyes. So even if we go to CoinMarketCap here, if we put PYUSD, here we go. Bank of America predicts PYUSD won't be easily adopted. So this is like an article from 3 hours ago. Circle CEO reveals 70% of USD coin adoption comes from non-US markets. There's a lot of news. So it's not showing necessarily. So I don't even know what PayPal is worth. I don't know how much PYUSD there's going to be available. So who knows on that aspect? But I assume, for example, let's say they mint, 30 million worth, then there'll be 30 million PYUSD tokens to start. So this could always trade and get bigger and better as we go. So that's about it. Comment down below. What do you guys think? Are you guys bullish on PYUSD? Do you like the idea of this stablecoin? In my opinion, I think it's awesome. I think we're due for something like this to hit the market and to see what happens, right? It's not all gonna, the floodgates aren't open yet. But short term, this is extremely bullish. Congrats to the Ethereum blockchain. That's what they chose to do and go with. Perhaps we will see maybe a PAUSD with, a stable coin from PayPal that's backed on, Cardano's blockchain, or maybe even a PBTC, who knows, right? So again, I don't really like the idea necessarily of all these different random ideas. This one makes sense to me. This makes a lot of sense. So if you guys are looking to learn more, especially on Cardano, guys, we do have several different links in the description below. So you can check that out. You can very easily download our Cardano mini course. You get lifetime access. You get the workbook with the link. So definitely hit that down below. And I did want to mention one other thing right here on the channel. So if I go here, and if you go to the channel, you're just going to click this link. It will open up the free Cardano course. And also here on the channel, we have tons of other videos, okay? So I'm posting as many as I can. We have tons of shorts, so definitely check that out. If you're looking to pick up a hardware wallet, you can save up to 20%. Yeah, it's up to 20% off the Trezor Model T. So use that referral link. It's going to help yourself and me a little bit, of course. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. I got to get back to trading crypto and learning more about the space. So cheers, everybody. Thank you.